Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mix pre-workout. Getting your pre-workout mixed correctly is crucial for both taste and effectiveness. We'll cover the essential steps to ensure you get a smooth, clump-free drink every time. Following the instructions on your specific product is always the best first step, as formulations can vary. Let's dive into the basics of preparing your perfect pre-workout beverage. To achieve a perfectly smooth mix, start by pouring your desired amount of water into your shaker bottle first. This simple trick helps prevent the powder from sticking to the bottom. Next, add your pre-workout powder. If you're using a shaker, secure the lid tightly and shake vigorously for about 20 to 30 seconds. For a glass, stir thoroughly with a spoon until all powder is dissolved, which might take a little longer. Finding the right water ratio is key to enjoying your pre-workout. Most products recommend using between 6 and 12 ounces of water for each scoop of powder. If you prefer a stronger, more intense flavor, use less water, perhaps 6 to 8 ounces. For a milder taste, you can increase the water up to 10 or 12 ounces. Experiment a little to discover your ideal concentration for maximum enjoyment. For the best results, aim to drink your pre-workout 15 to 30 minutes before you begin your workout session. This allows ample time for the ingredients to take effect. It's absolutely vital to never exceed the recommended daily serving size, as overconsumption can lead to adverse effects. Always store your pre-workout in a cool, dry place to prevent clumping and maintain its potency. Enjoy your energized workouts safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.